কনভারসেশন ইজ কথা কম কাজ বেশি।
Yes.
বের করতে হবে না, জ্বালিয়ে দাও নবান্ন, সব কটাকে ভিতরে
জাস্ট পাঠানো হয়েছে সাইবার পিএস হিসাবে
When?
অ্যাপ্লাই করে স্যার।
When? কবে?
My lord, I am for the petitioner in the next matter. There was a direction upon the respondent to bring the CD, produce the CD. This is the matter pertaining to the WhatsApp group.
Calcutta Police, which police station?
This is Tangra, my lord. Tangra police station, case number 124, dated 6th of September 2024.
My lord, on last occasion I had filed the police report.
Allegation is that, my lord, in a WhatsApp conversation, I was making some comments. They should be charged for snooping in the WhatsApp conversation.
My lord, conversation is কথা কম কাজ বেশি।
Yes.
বের করতে হবে না, জ্বালিয়ে দাও নবান্ন, সব কটাকে ভিতরে রেখে।
Don't get excited. No brownie points. Life is much more precious, I'm telling you. তো কিছু করেও নি তো।
Only one section 35 notice has been issued, lordship.
35 subsection 2 notice is issued. My fault is that only.
Because why a citizen should be harassed like this? Section 35 notice cannot be used as a weapon to.
If I will not lodge an FIR, then it will be treated as inaction of the police.
Appear virtually, I'll consider this later on. Appear
Lordship, the only question is, lordship,
virtual mode. Appear in virtual mode, sir. Appear in virtual mode. I'll consider the series of litigation, sir. I've got to take a decision because see, one part is that regarding the merits of the case. Second is law and order situation, which the state has a stake.
Lordship, may I submit, lordship? May I submit? Yes. Lordship, kindly consider this situation. This section, if I say something, lordship knows this Shreya Singhal's judgment, Supreme Court says, even the incitement, unless something happens, this cannot be treated as a FIR.
We'll consider that, sir. That's a matter
lordship,
of
kindly consider the section once, lordship, and
kindly on section, case canori sections are dynamic at the stage of investigation, sir.
No, lordship, whether they have the power to investigate at all.
That I will consider. There are a series of litigations.
Then kindly consider one thing: why a citizen should be allowed. They should go and virtually.
You remember, the submissions you are making is dangerous. Investigation is a harassment. Remember
yes, my lord. Sometime, because consider one aspect, lordship,
all time,
for speaking something.
All time. All right, one thing, I know this, I will consider. There are series of litigations, you know, Mr. Chatterjee.
Lordship, only one thing I request, let her participate in the investigation virtually, but with prior notice and a specific time. This should not be used as a tool to harass the citizen.
Very good. Chole ashun. I'll consider all the series of matters are there because there was a problem. Naturally, there will be a consequence in the society. Whether police will be interested to, but now you have done nothing actually. You have done nothing. Have you sent it to CFSL by retrieving the data?
I have started the
September case.
And lordship, another thing, the background of the complainant, that has to be also looked into.
All right,
now police has adopted a fashion.
All right, in order to prove this case, you have got to retrieve the data. Send it to the CFSL. Have you done that?
First step, I have started to send the letter to the WhatsApp company. In its very initial stage.
Very good. So very initial, there is no interim order in this. There is no till date. There is no interim order.
My fault is only 35.
That is
I have twice issued.
Very good.
And the petitioner is asking a copy of the complaint of the complainant. It is already on record. It is available on the website.
It was not there.
It
was not there since I asked. They have given.
Your IO is there. You ask one thing. Have you retrieved the data and send it to the CFSL?
Sir, just পাঠানো হয়েছে সাইবার পিএস হিসাবে
When?
অ্যাপ্লাই করে স্যার।
When? কবে?
গত মাসে স্যার, সেপ্টেম্বরে। কারেক্ট স্যার, সেপ্টেম্বরের লাস্টে একবার। আমার
রিপোর্ট এসেছে
হয়ে গেছে স্যার।
রিপোর্ট এসছে,
আসেনি স্যার, ওটা ক্যালিফোর্নিয়া যাবে তো।
আপনি ভার্চুয়াল মোডে কমপ্লেনকে ইন্টারোগেট করুন, একটু টাইম দিয়ে করবেন, চলে আসুন।
And Lordship, another thing, Lordship, kindly virtual mode and it's time specific.
And you say, why are you repeating from your chamber? Client is beside you.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
And one inland is lordship, I am the recorded advocate lordship, due permission of my land senior lordship that this person is working in a Ericsson company lordship. Now he have instructed me that he will apply for the visa lordship soon because he going to for his purpose.
ভিসা এন্ড সোশ্যাল অ্যাক্টিভিটিস একসাথে হবে না,
Lordship.
আর ক্রিমিনাল কেস সলভ করে তারপর বাইরে যাবে।
The lordship,
The Lordship, the question is that more fundamental question: a citizen can be harassed
this
for
person
saying.
can make this
No,
complaint
my
or not.
fundamental rights is to
I don't get
জ্বালিয়ে
excited.
দাও না,
I
বলবো,
don't get
জ্বালিয়ে দাও।
excited.
তুমি তো বারবার বলছো দাদা, কি দরকার? আমি তো বলছি না।
আচ্ছা,
That-
learned advocate
and the
appearing-
complaint
মনের
also
কথা
made a
বলতে ভালো।
It's a learned advocate appearing.
Allow me to seize the mobile of the petitioner
And the SIM card.
That
as well as the SIM card.
how investigation will proceed, I will not interfere.
My lord,
That you have got to use the powers under the law and do it.
my lord.
This is 226 is basically supervisory power. I can't direct do this, do that. You make application before the magistrate. Since the case is registered, magistrate is seizing of the matter. Make an application before the magistrate. The magistrate allows you seize. The petitioner complains that he is being unnecessarily harassed in connection with
Angra PS case number
Tangra PS case number 124 of
124.
of 2024 under sections 352, 353(2), 356, 192, 61 of the BNS. Full stop. Unnecessarily notices are being issued under section 35(3) of the BNSS. Full stop. It has also been submitted at the contents which are the basic foundation do not call for a registration of a case, as the same do not reveal cognizable offense. Full stop. Learned advocate for the it has also been submitted that visa দিছে এখন থাক। Learned advocate for the state has produced the case diary, and it has also been submitted that the communication which was circulated has been retrieved and has been sent to the expert for its opinion in respect of cross-checking the authenticity. Full stop. As the investigation has commenced, this court grants an opportunity to the police authorities to collect materials for the timing. However, having regard to the nature of the accusations complained of, physical appearance may not be required of the complainant for the purposes of interrogation. As such, the the learned advocate on record of the petitioner will communicate an email address to the investigating officer of the case, who would serve a notice in the mail 48 hours ahead of interrogating and specify a time period for interrogation. Full stop. Petitioner would make herself available in the virtual mode. Let such arrangement continue for the time being till further materials are collected by the investigating officer. You want to file an affidavit, opposition? Every opposition file করবে না? You have got to contest series of matters are there, sir. Consult the government leader.
I may file my lord.
Lordship, one more indulgence, Lordship. Lordship,
20-30 matters in same line are there.
My lord, please direct me. I will file affidavit.
That is the
Lordship, one more indulgence. Lordship, in all these cases, your Lordship knows that after registration of one FIR, there will be multiple FIR. We also apprehend that.
So the
Kindly,
multiple
That
FIR, you bring one more FIR which is similar to this. I mean, so far as the complainant is concerned, if there are multiple FIRs, relying on that Vinod Dua's case or Arnab Goswami's case, I will.
yes, my lord.
Let the stay. Sir, you file affidavit in opposition because there are series of cases. You understand which statement, which communication will constitute an offense, which will not constitute an offense. We have got to assess that at the time of hearing. Series of cases are there. You understand what went on for the last 3 months. State will file their affidavit in opposition by 6 weeks. Within a period of 6 weeks from date. Affidavit in reply, if any, be filed 2 weeks thereafter. List the writ petition under the heading contested application in the monthly list of January 2025.
And Lordship, by the time, if the petitioner approaches for visa before the learned magistrate, magistrate will consider it.
How can I pass if I now if you tell before me, you know the adverse consequences.
I understand the consequence.
You approach the
my lord.
Lordship, copy of the report.
Case diary be returned to the learned advocate appearing for the state.
And the copy of the report, Lordship. Lordship, the copy of the report. One copy.
I have no report. I've seen the case diary, sir.
No, report is under location. They have.
You were an accused. You are wanting a report in course of an investigation, sir. How can you? What is the role of an accused, sir? How much they should know in course of investigation?
But Lordship, in my matter, Lordship, what we are intending, Lordship, that the sections are not at all attracted and the complaint has no right to lodge a complaint against me, Lordship.
Grateful, man.
That is you are contending. Evidence shall be kept.
Grateful, man.